What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Hey, we finna go outside real quick. You know, pimp out. Cameraman, follow me. You know what I'm saying? It's a bright, beautiful day outside. You know what I'm talking about? Go ahead and zoom in on the feet real quick. You know what I'm talking about? Woo! Wait! You know what I'm talking about? Toes on fleek back. We finna go ahead to the car real quick. I already basically got everything set up over here. Cameraman, my face over here. Yeah, man. Box right there. So what we're gonna use for today, and God, where is the stuff? Where is the stuff?
What do you mean?
Okay. All right, y'all, I'm back. Had to go get this because somebody forgot the stuff. So real quick, man, we finna use this WinDX Home Edition. You know what I'm talking about? We're finna go ahead and use some paper towels, you know what I'm saying? We're finna go ahead and clean the back of this, yeah. We're finna go ahead and clean the back of this, man, and I'm gonna be back. All right, y'all, we done with that stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this box open and see what's inside. Oh yeah, I don't know actually how to install this thing, so I'm actually watching the YouTube video right now as we speak. So go ahead and stay tuned. All right, y'all, real quick, we're gonna go ahead and put this thing on. I'm just placing it right now to see how it looks. I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks. I think it looks dope. It adds some dimensions and some shape and some spit and grit to the car, man. So yeah, I'm actually gonna do it a shortcut way, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so real quick, what I did is, I'm gonna come over here real quick, cameraman. What I did is I already attached, it's attached by 3M tape. And I didn't want to have to do the whole masking tape and lining it up thing. So what I did is I put everything on there already. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have me and the cameraman, we're going to go ahead and take all this red backing off. We're going to put it on the car. We're going to just stick it on there and hopefully it works. All right, y'all. Me and the cameraman just actually finished installing it now. Here's the final look. Looks pretty dope if you ask me. So basically what we did is, like I said, we screwed everything on to the actual window louver piece itself, tightened it, and what we did is we just actually flipped it over and then just stuck it onto the window. I thought that was a lot simpler because I saw the instruction manual for it. It said something about some masking tape and I didn't have time for that. So, and then at the end, I just used a socket. I got this socket right here. It's not an actual size, so I don't know what size to tell y'all. It literally is just a socket that grips to any nut. That's what she said. So yeah, did that. That's the final product. Hope y'all like it.
Thank you for the heart. There'll never be a long and lonely night again. Thank you for your love. Thank you for the heart. There'll never be a long and lonely night again. Thank you for your love. Thank you for the heart. There'll never be a long and lonely.
Hey, so I want to say thank y'all for tuning into my video. I hope y'all liked it. Moose, you got anything to say to the cameraman? You want to say anything? Nah, he don't want to say anything, man. Let me get this good line real quick so y'all can go ahead and see my luscious, beautiful face. But yeah, thanks for tuning in today's video, man. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, go ahead and comment on my past videos. We got a giveaway. I'm trying to give y'all some free stuff and y'all not commenting on the video. I need y'all to go ahead and comment on the video, man. Road to 250 subs, man. I'm finna get out of here. Let me eat out.